Can you believe it? A famous director's Volkswagen Phaeton was towed 1,800 kilometers to AutoRevive for repairs. I thought it would just be this, and this, but the power steering pump and engine were both leaking oil. Even the electrical system was acting up. The rubberized buttons on the steering wheel were completely worn out, and the exhaust was badly rusted. Let's start tearing it down. The AC foam had completely deteriorated. The interior is stripped out. Next, we're pulling the undercarriage apart. No one can talk me out of it now. Adhesive is everywhere. They even use wire to hold things together. The bearing has excessive play. The fuel leak is pretty serious. The rear subframe is out. Now let's get started on the engine. Set it on the stand. A bore scope inspection showed no cylinder wall scoring, but the carbon buildup was severe. Dry ice blasting the internals clean. The timing chains are worn. The valve cover gaskets had crumbled apart. No wonder it was leaking oil. Give it a good scrub. Refurbishing the valve covers. Replacing the gaskets. Reassembling the intake manifold. Cleaning the fuel injectors. Replacing the spark plugs. These harness connectors had aged and cracked. Replacing them with new ones, because a complete replacement harness costs over $1,500. So we rebuilt what we could. Fixing the oil leaks from the transfer case and differential. Water had gotten in around here. The oil had turned into sludge. I've been down this road before. What really matters are the areas owners never see. Now we're replacing the ball joints, one by one. The owner said the coolant temperature was running high. With a radiator like this, how could it cool properly? You can't call that okay. I couldn't sleep over it. Yeah. We're masking up too. The cabin had a moldy smell. Turns out mice had been living in here. So we gave it a deep, thorough cleaning. Cleaning the HVAC system. All the deteriorated foam got replaced. After a car has been driven for years, the inside of the AC system needs to be cleaned too. Otherwise, the cabin air quality gets really bad. The fresh underbody coating makes a big difference. Before firing it up, we gave it a full service, since the owner plans to keep driving it for a long time. Leave it clean. Leave it worry-free. And bring the joy back. Replacing the bushings. I love you. Through the whole night. down the highway. From broken to revived, follow AutoRevive.